Hayibo. Amaphusile. Amaphusile alabo. Angilinde kancane. Amaphusile. Sinibingelele bantwana bakaNkulunkulu, sinibingelele bantwana bezidalwa ezihlambulukile. Sibingelele nina enihamba nesithunywa ingelosi. Ngibingelele nina enihamba nezidalwa zasekhaya, amadlozi wenu, akubo kamama nakubo kababa. Kade nganigcina ne? Ngibhizi phela ngihleli kwi-live kaMamzo, nganitshela ngathi ngiyanishiya kancane, but ngiyabona ukuthi when I'm led by the Spirit to come and share certain things, then I shall come. Bengicela ukuthi bangabe kuwukuthi umuntu who is a staunch religious person udlule. This is not going to be yours. If umuntu okholelwa kuNkulunkulu, umuntu okholelwa edlozini, umuntu okholelwa kwisithunywa, and the inner being which is yourself, mhlawumbe ungahlala ke la, because as sometimes when you are told to come and teach certain things, you argue with yourself, you debate with yourself ukuthi this kind of information, are they going to be able to internalize it? Is it going to make sense? So honorable njengoba ebhala lapho ukuthi ama-teachings wami bayawakhumbula, I sometimes get a bit relieved when I get such comments, because ngilakho ukuthi kushuthi lento ababe sibanikeze yona last time, ukudla sibanikeze kona last time, bakwazile ukuthi bekubambe. Right now, you all are aware ukuthi I am a spiritual healer. Actually, I'm not a spiritual healer. I think I'm just a spiritualist. This is what we're going to talk about today, us minimizing ourselves and reducing ourselves. But ngifuna indlela engizoqala ngayo, then base ngigijima nani, so ngicela ukuthi ungasali, right? Lana ngifika nento ethi wena as a human being, there's something inside of you that leads you to be what you want to be outside of what you need to be. It leads you to being what you want to be, to want, outside of what you need to be. Right. Akade bebuka ama-WhatsApp status wami, they kind of get it now ukuthi where am I going ngale nkulumo. Uma ngabe usaliqala uhambo lwakho la kamoya uthola ukuthi khona izinto ezithize ezenzakala kuwena, and the very first thing, interesting enough, the very first thing eyenzeka kuwena, the smallanyana awakening. Remember, the spiritual awakening is in different phases. And uma ngabe ubona isandla sami ngichaza different phases, ngiyasiphakamisa, as in you are ascending, you are rising spiritually, right? Now, as you are rising spiritually, what then happens is khona izinto ezithize from the beginning ezenzakala kuwe. For example, once waqala kwakhona le soul to question everything during a spiritual awakening is to question everything, from the existence of God, from everything that is documented in the Bible, from everything that is that we were taught in churches. You begin to question everything. You also begin to question ama-traditions asekhaya, izinto esiyifundisiwe ekhaya ukuthi nanti usiko lasekhaya, nanti tradition esekhaya. You begin to question these things on a level of the awakening of your spirit. So the spiritual awakening does something, ne? Idala ukuthi manje questionisha yonke into. Then emva kwalokho into eyenzekala kuwena, you begin to realize ukuthi what was important to you is not so important after all. Uma ngabe into ekade ibaluleke kakhulu kuwena i-relationship, ila uqala khona nayi man, it's not so important. Mangabe kuukuthi imali ebibaluleke kakhulu, uyabona, it's not so important. Uyabo, yonke into ekade ibalulekile for the physical human being that you were, iyaqala manje ishintshe when you become the spiritual being that you are becoming, right? Ezinye izinto ezistress abantu, whether ikweletu noma umjolo ongahambi kahle noma ama relations between you and your family members, uyabo kuyaqala manje base kuyehla. You see things in a different way. Ukubona umuntu estresseka nje impela ezejuluka impela nje, hayi impela bane stress, kodwa wena you see things in a different way. Now then like kufanele uqale ukuthi uyibambe khona ukuthi the awakening, uyabona, once wayibamba lapho, the awakening, when it happens, you begin to question everything. You are like a non-believer, because manje yonke into obukade uyazi, yonke into oyifundisiwe, yonke into oyincelile ebeleni, yonke into iyaqala manje uyayiquestionisha. Now ngifuna ibambe lapho kancane. Now let's go back. I always say there's some element of truth. In every lie which is told in the Bible. So the Bible now manga but in every lie there's a truth. So the first thing in your spiritual awakening, when you begin to unlearn everything, ne? Now let me go and align that in the Bible. So then God then decides to go back to the Garden of Eden. When God decides to go back to the Garden of Eden, God is calling for Adam. Adam, where are you? And then Adam is hiding, ne? And then Adam says, I'm here, Lord. I'm hiding because I'm naked. And then the first thing that God asks Adam is, who told you that you are naked? Once waibamba lapho, then it's been interpreted in different ways to say, God, why didn't he? No. God did not get pissed at Adam for eating the fruit. No. God was actually pissed off ukuthi whatever God implanted in Adam had his own different awakening, which made him now question everything. The issue of nakedness the self-definition izwe kahle. God did not tell Adam that you are naked. It was Adam who told himself that he is naked. Ungasali. Now, then God questions who told you that you are naked? Because mina as God, I did not tell you that you are naked. Now, one of the mistakes enwenzayo during your spiritual awakening is a self-diagnosis, wrong. One of the mistakes nina bantwana bakamoya enkhulayo ngokomoya, one of the mistakes eniyenzayo is the wrong self-diagnosis. You diagnose yourself the wrong way. The first thing Adam ayenza was bona enqunu when he was not told. So wa reducer amandla anawo spiritually wasibeka solely in the physical form. That is why you and Adam, same WhatsApp group, net so. You and Adam, net so. When amangabusu uqala lo hambo lakho la kamoya, and then you find yourself spiritually awakening, everything is about you and money. You and what you need. You and what you see about yourself, which must be changed and corrected and improved. You do not seek higher power. You seek lower solutions. Let me rephrase that. You do not seek to elevate yourself and ascend spiritually into a greater being. But instead, what you do, you use your smaller nyana spiritual awakening as means to reach out. Bantu abadala ngicela imali. Hawu makhosi amakhulu, hey ngicela ningisize ngomsebenzi. Hawu makhosi amakhulu, ngicela ningisize ngomshado. Your sole purpose ngale spiritual awakening sakho nje singaka ukuthi nje uaddress nje hayi bantu abadala bengicela ukubuza ukuthi uSipho ungithanda ngempela yini inkosi yami noma udlala ngapha. Imagine using such higher power for nonsensical things. Imagine. So just maybe God was pissed off at Adam for the wrong self-diagnosis that some of you even do it today. That is why when abangabuzibuka wena was doubter wena was enyeza wena, you lack faith in yourself, you do not believe in yourself, then you've got so much limitations. And then when with your own mouth you then say seze emhlabeni ukuzophelezela othango, seze emhlabeni ukuzophelezela oJacobs. Mina no self diagnosis yakho is wrong. Nge-spiritual awakening ngesincane kangaka, when ugijime ukuthi uyabozidiagnose nje wena wazilabelisha wena wise-identifier, and your identification is below who you truly are, what you truly are, and what you are genuinely capable of. Now, you unlearn a lot of things. Now then you need to begin a journey of relearning certain things. Now, lolu hambo la kamoya liyahlupha ngoba li painful. Leyo nje akufanele nje silokho esishona lena. It is very painful because there are certain things about you and there are certain things in you that needs to change completely. Scientists, doctors, people who've done anatomy, people who believe in tangible evidence will tell you there is no such thing in the body that is called a soul. Yabona ba ungasazi istory sakho, your faith is going to be shaken through and through. But bangabusazi istory sakho, you will agree with them in principle and then disagree after then you've won the argument, or your submission finds favor in their ears. But then again, never argue with a fool, especially a learned fool. If the soul does not exist on the basis that you do not see the soul, then we must also agree in principle ukuthi this thing called feelings also does not exist, because you never see something called emotions. Likewise, if you are not gonna see this thing called thoughts. You may see the brains, but you'll never see the thoughts. So if you agree ukuthi thoughts reside within the brain, then you must then agree in principle ukuthi the soul does therefore also exist. Manje ke nina abantu enikhulayo ngokomoya, once wathola ke okusadokotelana noma okusa scientists kuzokutshela ngendaba yokuthi no ayikho lento ekuthiwa soul, you agree because you do not know how to then put a counter argument on that. But the minute you agree ukuthi there is a soul and there are such things which are thoughts, and those thoughts cannot be seen, but only a brain can be seen, and then also you agree ukuthi there are feelings, there are emotions, not these physical feelings, these ngikhuluma ngama emotions, then you'll understand ukuthi there's certainly a higher power that exists within you. And that higher power which exists within you is now then fighting you to become the best that you can be, right? Not in your physical form, but in your spiritual form. Become the best you can be, not in your physical form, but in your spiritual form. Now lento iyahlupha ngoba if ungayibambi uzosala base uyalimala futhi endleleni. Akekho umuntu othi uma ngabe ethathe amaphilisi, this western medication noma ama tablets, amaphilisi, ebese immediately activate umzimba wonke for you to be better. But into eyenzakalayo uthi uliphuza leli philisi leli uthele ngamanzi, uphuze ngamanzi, right? Immediately when you tell yourself ukuthi I'm going to be better, yes, your faith is on the the logical human being, your faith is on leli philisi leli olifakayo la emlonyeni wakho, right? Kodwa umzimba wakho uresponda kulento wena osuzitshele yona. And yini ozitshela yona? It's the will to live. Wena oxosha lokugula obhekene nakho because your will is actually telling you to say no, I want to live, I'm going to live, I'm going to survive this. Now iphilisi leli olithathayo ingenxa yokuthi wena ufuna into ephathekayo, a tangible thing which is going to give you hope and also boost your willingness to survive. Mangabe uhambe kumkhulu Thango uzokunikeza iswasho Nkosi yami isiAram senkosi, uma ngabe sekunikeza iswasho base yakutshela ukuthi hayi ufike lapha yana ukhulume ngalesikhathi ke ugeza noma ngalesikhathi ugquma ustima, khuluma. Wena your logical self, the physical being, receives faith from uThango, but it is your will which is going to make it happen. uThango akalaphi nix. uThango akalaphi nix. Yes, there is divine power, but that divine power needs to be met with your will, with your faith, your willingness. Uyabona, when come to think of it, bawuhlala phansi kahle ujula ngempilo yakho and look back, ngifuna mina wena ukhumbula ukuthi khona izinto empilweni yakho owake wathi ukuthi ngifuna kwenzeke, whether it's out of desperation, whether it's out of what, it doesn't matter. Yona mama usuzitshelile ukuthi cha lo msebenzi lo owami, lo msebenzi ngiyawufuna, lo msebenzi ngizothola, lo msebenzi owami, lo msebenzi usuyitshelile, usuyitshelile, because ama circumstances which are surrounding you do not give you another option. Your will makes it happen. Uyawuthola lo msebenzi. Into anijwayele kakhulu ke le emjolo ngoba akuve nithanda nokufeba ninjalo. Ubabona umuntu ukuthi umuntu ozitshelile ukuthi lo muntu uzoba upartner wakho lo come hell or high waters. Once your will usuyitshelile, once your will you activate it, Awu lo muntu loyo ubo wakho yazi ubo wakho sifebe senkosi yabona sifebe sika Jehova ubo wakho nje lo muntu loyo and uyamthola uba wakho because you've told yourself. So izinto eziningi zilele kutheni wena fanele ukuthi utshele bani uself in faith, because uma ngabe wena izinto uzingabaza, your will is not activated to the level that it's supposed to be activated. There are some decisions which you make when about your life and you don't even know what you are the one who's making those decisions. Let me make an example. Have you not found it how strange it is ukuthi bangabe uhlukana nomuntu okade uthandana naye? Ufuthi ufika ukhaleke Nkosi yami ngoba uyakhala ke nawe Nkosi. Uyakhala, uyalila. Ufika umkhalele. At some point usithola ungasakhali. At some point uthola sekuphefumuleka kangcono. At some point uthola impilo isiqhubeka kangcono. At some point uthola usuyahleka usuyajabula. At some point usuyamkhohlwa nokumkhohlwa lowo muntu loyo ukuthi uke wamthanda to this extent. Why is that? Base nina niyaqhamuka nithi time heals all things. Usho uqamba manga dodi. Akho time that heals all things. It is because subconsciously you are making a decision to say, let me repeat that. Time does not heal all things. Time heals nothing. You decide when ukuthi no, I'm getting over this person. Because those emotions were your decision in the first place. It was your decision to love this person in the first place. It is also your decision not to let go of this person and cry over them and cry over your relationship and hoping that they're going to come back and hoping that they're going to regret. It is your decision. It is also equally your decision which then puts you to a point where you are then saying, no, life must go on. It is your decision. Your decision is informed by your will. Your will is the one that actually gives you the power to achieve the decision that you made. Once naibamba lezinto lezi to a certain extent, then it speaks to you and your ascension spiritual. Now, what is also equally then interesting is that even kukhona umuntu wasekhaya ongasekho emhlabeni and you feel the pain and the loss of someone who passed away, you will find ukuthi when you decide to rise now and move on with life, you shall rise. It is a decision. Some decisions you make subconsciously, but everything which is pertaining to your will is done consciously. Because once you tell yourself, ngizophila, nothing in the world can stop you from ukuphila. Once you tell yourself ukuthi loya uzoba umfazi wami, nothing is going to stop you in the world ukuthi loya ebe umfazi wakho. Sekuyoshiyana ukwenza kwewill ukuthi yena loya akafuni ukuba umfazi wakho noma loya akafuni ukuba umkhwenyana wakho, but bangabe usuzitshelile. So that is why sometimes when you look at the book leya ncwadi leya kube khona ama breadcrumbs akhona ukuthi sometimes it is you who decides to say I am willing, then base into it follows you. There are things which you manifest ngomlomo wakho, kube khona izinto manifest ngomcabango yakho, khona izinto because your will is unshaken. So now the question that you need to ask yourself is, where is your will? Because everything else that you experience in life is true. It begins with you and it ends with you. You decide to love somebody. You decide to fall in love. You allow the process. You allow yourself to fall deep in love. You are the one who also decide what kind of a partner that you are going to be. And if it's not reciprocated, okay, nina inyanga ke zala ka TikTok engagezi. Uyabona? enhlolamanga leli gama elithi reciprocated liqonda ukuthi ukubuyiselwa yabo to reciprocate uya understand mkhulu lapho ewindini yeah to reciprocate it means you are giving and you are receiving the same uyezwa ngenzela ukuthi ungayi ku dictionary ngoba manje ngithi waqeda ka standard 4 manje wangasiqeda isikole manje noma ungasiqedanga isikole uzoba nenkinga uzohamba utshela abantu ukuthi ngithuka abantu lana kanti wena ongazi uyabona leyo nto leyo mayifanele ngifake iclass encane nje lokusiza na kwalona leli gama lithi reciprocated akulona nje igama elisile kakhulu ongaze mhlambe uziqatshe ngalo ukuthi ulifundile namhlanje through mina la no right. One of the problems that we have is that once you begin to be spiritually awoken, once you begin the process of awakening, you limit also yourself from the spiritual growth, which is problematic. It's a very painful thing in Slovenians. Because when you become a person who's a spiritual being, tell me why do you and I limit ourselves only to healing? Tell me why are we so our faith ukujula kwethu nakho konke kwethu nakho kulapha ya kulento yaka healing. I am spiritually gifted. I sengiyalapha. Tell me why are we limiting ourselves to that? Because this thing of spiritual awakening speaks to the ascension of your spirit when it actually opens up new things in different dimensions. Yabona sengiyayibona lenkinga kababa dokotela ngani yabona sekufanele ngikhulume ngendaba ye ascension manje esikoleni la wafunda khona kwakhona ascension day wena wawibiza ngokuthi kuyibiza yazi to ascend is to rise, and spiritually when one is talking about awukhuli ngokomoya, you don't grow spiritually, you don't grow. Awubisidudla la awubisidudla kamoya uyaphakama, you rise, you ascend. Ayikho lento ukuthi no uyaphakama. There's a huge difference between the two. There's a huge growing. That is where when you grow spiritually, that is where you uba ne-ego, ube ne-pride, ulokhu ufuna ukutesta amandla akho, ulokhu usitshela ukuthi wena umkhulu kangakanani. Yabona leyo nto le no uyaphakama ngokomoya. And as you rise, as you ascend spiritually, trust me bangabe ngikutshela ukuthi ayikho into ye-ego when you rise. When you grow, ikhona i-ego. Uyazi ukuthi indaba you grow by experience. Uzokhula ngokuthi hayi wena usulapha abantu abangaka, ususiza abantu abangaka, i-growth ngeleyo uyakhula. So yabo I mean ngiyayazi into yami, sekuyinto yami, ngiyayazi into yami. Sengilapha abantu abawu-15, sengilapha abantu abawu-300, sengilapha abantu abawu-500. Ingenxa ukuthi uyakhula, it means ukuthi i-experience ikhona kodwa ukuphakama akukho. Because uma ngabe uphakama, when you ascend spiritually, trust me, there's nothing to boast about. The more you rise spiritually, the more you question the world and its existence and everything. You ask yourself, why did you bother to go to a school? You look at your parents and then you realize your parents were actual failures by sending you to a school, which at the end of the day is not going to help you with anything. Why am I saying that it's not going to help you with anything? It's because lela qhaqhi enalidweba lapha esikoleni likusize ngani empilweni. Lama diagram odweba lapha esikoleni akusize ngani. Then you realize it was another system of making you stay behind, oppressed and suppressed. When you go to a tertiary institution and you study there, and then when you finish studying you do not get a job, then you see betrayal by the system. When your life is solely surrounded by wanting money as a solution and the only way to survive is through money, it's because you have not ascended. You are still stuck in monetary value. Abanye benu you are in the emotional mud because your life is about you wanting to be loved and you wanting this and that and that and that and that. When you ascend spiritually, you begin to realize, because you'll ask questions, Guti, before there was money, how did human beings survive? Did God provide? How did He provide? What are the main things that you need when as a human being? Perhaps you just need earth and rain. Just maybe you need earth and water. Just maybe for you to heal, you need the sun. To just sit in front of the sun and accept that radiance, and then your body begins to respond to the sun. Now you do not know that, ne? Because phela wena ukholelwa emaphilisini. Yingakho kwi-chronic medication. Ngoba manje ama-pharmaceuticals akubambeli la omncane khona. You have faith in that medication more than you have faith in God, more than you have faith in your inner self. Now how are you going to ascend? You wake up, uya emsebenzini, ubuya ntambama ukhathele. Fike bawuyile, you freshen up, you cook, before you know it, sekuyisikhathi sokulala. You're a slave. So you do not have time to tap into your inner self and find out who you are. Today, you've learned ukuthi some of the feelings that you have are actually a decision. Not the physical pain, the emotions, which when you are so crowded, you spend so much time sinking yourself in your emotions. You are too angry, you are too sad, you are so disappointed, you are so betrayed. Your life ngendlela eyiyona iqonde ngqo ekuhlaleni ekutheni usibanibani wangenza ukuthi usibanibani wangenza ukuthi usibanibani wangenza ukuthi. You and I are so focused on what other people think of us, what other people are doing against us. Ubani osithanda ngempela, who's faking it and who's not. Listen, tap in your inner self. There is something about you and then there is more to you. Uyabona ke spiritually uma ngabuka grade R, yonke lento engishoyo kona is not going to make sense. You need to replay this a couple of years from now. Because phela njengamanje uhleli wena in a predicament. Hayi ke ngeke ngilokho ngikhuluma ndaba predicament, phindele esikoleni man. Hayi go back to school man. Hayi hamba esikoleni, hamba esikoleni. Akukhona night school. How manje uzolokho manje uhleli lana. Hayi ngeke ngilokho ngichaza. Just sengiyamthanda baba dokotela. You know, njengamanje you are in a very conflicting situation between finding who you are spiritually, accepting who you are spiritually, and things just making sense. And the ugly thing about this, the horrible thing about this, it's quite devastating because nothing spiritually actually makes sense. Ayikho into yakamoya that makes sense. You need to accept that. You need to take that in. The answers that you need spiritually, you might get those answers, but they still would not make sense. Because lento yaka spirituality is a mystery. It is a mystery. Awuthi ngikulekeleleke wena osewindini ngoba manje ngiyabona mystery imfihlakalo. Ngizokuthi chaza mystery imfihlakalo. Hence that is why you are unique in your own way, and that is why you ascend in a different pace. That is why you ascend in a different direction from other people. You guys are not the same. You guys are different through and through. Now, once wa ascend spiritually, vele izinto uzitesta khona lana ke emhlabeni. Vele phela singabantu basemhlabeni. Inkinga wena uprioritize okwasemhlabeni, and then base uyacindezeleka from ascending spiritually. Kanti wena fanele ngabe uya ascend spiritually so that uzoba nalamandla adingakalayo to make everything else follow you as you command it. As you command it. Uzoyeka ukuvuka ekseni uhambe lokho uyogeza lapho uthi ngicela ukuthandeka, ngicela ukukhanya la kumina, ngicela uyokuyeka lokho once you rise spiritually. Because you'll just speak it and believe it and your will fetch it for you. What am I saying to you? When you want peace in your life, when you want peace in your life, but your will is hesitant, you will not get the kind of peace that you want. If you want prosperity in your life, but when you are doubting, because lento yokudoubta iyahlupa guys, between doubt and will, there's always a battle within you. That is why ngenze example earlier ngoqala live ngathi mina wena bawusuzitshelile ukuthi umsebenzi wakho lo, this is my job, I'm going to get this job, the job that I'm applying for, I'm going to get it, it's mine. It becomes automatic. You will land that job because your will it. That will come to fruition. Come hell or high waters, that will come to fruition. It starts with you, you believe it, you create it, and it becomes. Right? But if your will is lacking, then your doubt is going to overcome your will, and then things are not going to happen the way that they are supposed to happen. So izinto zakhe empilweni yakho don't wena, futhi izinto zakhe empilweni yakho zidudula wena. Now, uma ngabe kukhona umuntu okuthakathayo nomuntu ongenzi kahle empilweni yakho, okubophela amagqubu, yabona kanjalo okugadlayo nani. Loyo muntu akanawo amandla. I-problem nje ukuthi wena ukufica ukwi-state esinjani for leyo nto yakho ukuthi isebenze. Now then I call it the battle of the wills. Right? Who's more willing than the other? Nangu uThango uyakugadla wena, uthakatha wena straight. Yakuthakatha uvuka ebusuku nje hayi khafula strong double. Then wena, how strong is your will? Then it becomes a contestation of wills. Is my will stronger than yours? Or is your will stronger than mine? If my will is stronger than you, ngizokutrapa. Everything happens spiritually. Ngizokubhanqa neindongo ungabi indaba zalutho. Umuntu ekahlale nje la, uthi usibanibani isitha sami ngifuna phele lo msebenzi. Uthola ukuthi will yami is bigger than that other person. Ngimqaphe. They lack faith, both in God and in themselves. Remember ukuthi this thing yama ancestors iyahlupha. Lento yesithunywa iyahlupha. Ngoba you need to understand ukuthi wena you are the piece of the puzzle. You are piece of the equation. Manje, once I understand that in that manner, you'll understand ukuthi your guides need you and you need your guides, but at the same time your guides do not need you because they can exist without you. Mase kuba khona lapho kufanele ubalungisele izinto. It's a different topic altogether. Ngalesikhathi wena ulungisa izinto, ulungisela bona izinto ila kuphakama khona amandla abo, ila beqaqeka khona kwizinto ethize. So it is in why? Because khona izinto ethize that needs to be addressed spiritually kubona, and wena unamandla ukuthi ukwenze in this physical being that you are now. Angazi noma ne understand it so far. What I'm trying to tap into today la kuwena is you activating the higher self in you, rather than wena ulokhe uzibulala ngama meaningless. If they are meaningless. Yabona lama meaningless limitations ozilimaza ngawo, they are not good for you. They are not good for you. They are meaningless limitations. Uyazicindezela. When what you perceive as growth and you reaching where you're supposed to be, is actually you limiting yourself. In the sense that ngoba uThanga usezitshelile ukuthi yena umthandazi yena umfundisi, and just by you labeling yourself as such, you are oppressing yourself, because automatically you are then limiting yourself to other possibilities in the spiritual realm. So when you rush to label yourself, that is when you actually suppress yourself. But then when you do not give yourself a particular name, then it means you are not solely loyal to that particular practice. Meaning if uThanga ezitshele ukuthi yena umthandazi, useyohlala ke ethandazi noma engasafanele ethandazi, uyohlezi inkosi yami ethandazi noma esabona ukuthi lo mthandazi awuyindawo, ngoba yena usezitshelile ukuthi umthandazi, yena usezilabelile in the human form. Kanti akasiyena umthandazi, kanti akasiyena yena umthandazi. He's a higher spiritual being, and that higher spiritual being is not limited only to prayer. It's not limited to prayer. A spiritual being is not limited to partnering. A spiritual being is not limited to prayer. A spiritual being also then takes this thing into meditation, and as you take it, as you absorb it, then you begin to have some sort of conversations which are going to make you feel drained. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokuthi uthole iqiniso through the spirit, and lelo qiniso lelo is everything opposite to what you have believed in. It's a problem. It's a serious problem. Then, when you begin to have a life of awakening, you begin to do certain things differently. You begin to have a commanding spirit and a commanding energy about you. Sesaye ukugqoka amasudu, sihlangana nabantu abagqoka amasudu, base thina sifike befaka uThayi namasudu, bese thina sifaka ama-track pen nabo phaka, bese siyangena kwi-boardroom, and then everyone looks at you like, what is wrong with this one? But then your energy introduces you, and then you command respect. And then everyone begins to inquire about you. Futhi ngeke ngizitshela ukuthi yini inquire wena nyanga engafundanga esikoleni. Ngiyacasula. Yabo. Because now they are interested in your aura. Because their energy has met your energy. And you've not even uttered a word. But already you are introduced. And everyone wants to hear what you're going to say. And you've not even begun to speak. But your energy is commanding them to listen to you. Ukuhlale kuleyo meeting le. Ubalalele. Basuthi may I speak without even raising your hand. Usho ngezwe eliphansi. Ngeliphansi izwi. Uthi nje may I speak. Lelo zwi eliphansi kuwena. Belizwe as if ubanga umsindo uthi you may speak, bephenduke bonke abantu bebheke wena. Basukhuluma isentence nje A1 uqede. Your energy. Manje nina le energy yenu niyahlupha ngoba nisebenzisa endaweni ewrong, and that is why you do not see the results. Mangithi uyazi uyisebenzisa le energy yakho and you don't even realize. How ngemshadweni ngifuna ukugqoka kahle, ngifuna bephenduke nami. Listen, when you idiot. Bebe vele bezophenduka nawe noma ungagqokanga kahle. Inkinga yakho when you believe in clothing to introduce you. You do not believe in your energy to introduce you. Your energy will speak for itself. Your energy is going to make sure good people turn around and recognize you and see you and ask, who's that? Other people will even say, I think I've met this person, because your energy is commanding. But manje inkinga wena ufuna wena ukufaka wena lo bra wena onpintshayo manje basuveza necleavage manje icleavage ke manje iqinye lapha yana ke Nkosi yami. No Fusethi phuma lapho. That's not what you are about. It's not what you are about. Funa ukugqoka manje phuma lapho uyaphila lapho. It's not about how you look. You can be dressed well, beautifully, but your energy is so fucked up that people do not even recognize you. If your energy is fucked up, umuntu uzoza kuwena ethi, "How Nkosi yami wayithenga ngaphi le ngubo?" Minezwa kana lamuntu sifazana. Wayithenga ngaphi le ngubo? Ngoba it means the dress is more powerful than your energy. Okay? Ayawungizwa. Iumalini le ngubo? Yes, Miss B. Awuyifaki kwa makeup, awuyifaki ngempela. Yabo, iumalini le ngubo? The value of the dress is more powerful than your energy. But if your energy, hey, yabona bamiqondile energy yakho. Hey. Uzwa abantu bethe isivakashelo wena namhlanje. Kufika inkulu namhlanje. Na uzozibuza ukuthi iziphi lezi inkulu Nkosi yami ngoba phela mina nginempandla ngisiAram senkosi. Nje hayi kufika inkulu namhlanje. It's because your energy has ascended. Your aura gives it all. Nina nizoyibamba emcimbini ukuthi no, there's something about your energy. Abanye benu nize nihambe le energy yenu niyipractice lapha yana kulabathakatha abasontayo lapha yana esontweni. Yenye indawo leyo ngithi kufanele ngabe kufundwa kuyona energy. Sikutshele kahle sithi Nkosi yami umbona egqoke kahle kanje. Ubelele nobaba uSibiya kuthangi. Njengoba esizibangela imsicefe la izikhuluma nelimi ubechitha nobaba uSibiya. So energy yakho is giving that bitchiness. Yabo le energy ay ngwana wa strata. Ay yabo. Now I need you to please learn to tap into your inner self. I need you to begin to ascend in a different way. I need you to please realize ukuthi it is all meaningless. It is all meaningless. The minute you realize what it is all meaningless, then you begin to liberate yourself spiritually to look at things in a different way. Once you look at things in a different way, you will no longer fall victim to your enemies who expect you to react in a certain way. Ngiyazi ukuthi njengoba ngimenza ukuthi uzodina. Because uzoqala phansi uzibuza ukuthi no, vele lo muntu lo ungenze into embi. Yebo lento emba yenzile ibhlungu. Kodwa why must I give them the satisfaction of feeling the way that they want me to feel? Then you make a decision about your feelings, which then will leave your enemy completely confused and lost. Completely confused and lost. Anybody who's your opponent will never be able to predict your next move. Because when they sway you, you then take it as a higher self. And say usengithukile. Mar if ngidinwa mina, kusho ukuthi kumele kusho ukuthi ngithukekile. But if I refuse ukuthukeka, that insult will mean nothing to me. That vulgarness will mean nothing to me. Then you ascend. Once you ascend, you respond differently to things that other normal human beings respond to. Once you find yourself in that level spiritually, once you've ascended, one of the things that are going to happen is that you're going to begin then to manipulate anything and everything which is earthly. Once you ascend, once you master the art of your willing spirit, Once wayibamba le, you will manipulate everything which remains earthly. There are human beings who are obsessed with earthly material. When if kuguti when you have found your higher self spiritually, it's easy for you to manipulate this human being. Angizwa ne? Ani understand le ngisho ne? Ani understand le. So ngithi mina ekuhambeni kwakho kokomoya, ekuphakameni kwakho kokomoya, uwena futhi ojike uzicindezele. Iyeke leyo nto. Then anybody, you can have a partner that you so desire. And if kuguti ama vibrations akho are seriously high and your will is unshakable, umtshela kanje umuntu, and then bona they follow suit. Manje inkinga amadoda esikhathi samanje ingenxa yokuthi asebenzisa imithi and then they do not understand ukuthi lo muthi loyo kahle kungenzeka ukuthi umuntu awenzi lutho. It's just that lo muthi uwona o instilla I discipline towards you and your will. Fike kwintombazana uthi yabona wena uzoba umuntu wami wena. Uyibuka intombazana ibitoze ibheka phansi ihlola nokubuka emehlweni, kanti your will, your aura unshaken, very decisive. And when you speak it, then it becomes. One day you are fed up with the way that your manager or your supervisor is addressing you. And you've told yourself, I'm tired of this. Fika again ngelinye ilanga. Fika umbuke emehlweni. Kuba uyena ubuza qala ethi what's wrong? But you never speak to me in a disrespectful manner again. Iwili yakho is greater than their will. Uthole sefuna ukukubuza manje uthi yini khona yini la engibone khona umoya nakho konke lokho. Now automatically that person is submitting to your will. You've got the power to make people submit to your will, but it's not everybody that will submit to your will. It's those people who are still oppressed and oppressed by things. So that is why when you need to come out of that, then at some point people become your servant without even realizing it. So I want you to find your inner self. Now ngangibuza ukuthi lo mfana lo kaMaria yini lento ayidala ukuthi yena engayi eSpanini. Yena wayengaSpani yena. Kodwa abantu babehlezi befika kuyena bemmupha ama perfume. Shuthu benuka kahle njengabo bonke abanye abantu abaphila. Befika abanye bezonikela ngokunikela ngayo whether it's fish or bread. Why yena wayenamadoda awu 12 ayehamba nawo enibabiza ngokuthi abafundi bakhe. Behlezi belana ama parasite lawa ayencela knowledge, but they also provided because akukho la yena ayekade epheka khona. Why did he have a set of women who are always willing to come and have him come and eat and rest? It's because the higher being had ascended and then he's able to command. And when he was able then to command, he was able then to heal people, but it did not limit it to the healing. Hence they were calling him teacher and not healer. Because why SSS Gabeni la khona ayekade ebafundisa khona abantu. Niyambona kumntwana wenzunza wenza izinto zenzeke, but the higher person needs to be activated. You need then not to grow spiritually, but you need to ascend spiritually. Don't grow by experience. Ekubeni umelaphi kanti uyazicindezela. Businesses that you do, when you tap into your inner self, uzawufana nomuntu osengathi usebenzisa amakhathakhatha ngoba you say, I want people to start knocking at my door to come and buy or get my services, and believe me, those people, they will come. they will come. The energy osuyikhulumile yaphuma. The universe then listens to that energy. The universe then checks your will. The universe then checks your doubt. When the universe finds that there's no doubt and your willing spirit is strong, the universe is then going to then collect all of these people. It's not every one of you is supposed to be working. But in niyasebenza ngoba you've limited yourself, because you've labeled yourself and identified yourself solely as what you know yourself as. Umthandazo sekuphelile lapho. Umntwana wamanzi sekuphelile lapho. Umntwana wesithunywa wena sekuphelile lapho. Hayi wena wisangoma sekuphelile lapho. Hayi wena winyanga sekuphelile lapho. You are a spiritual being. There's more to you than the limitations that you are setting for yourself. I need you to go and find yourself and then rise again. There are people that when you are cracking your head about, and maybe you are not supposed to, you are being distracted. You worry about your salary. Maybe you're not supposed to. You are being distracted. You worry how you're going to survive next month. Maybe you're not supposed to. You are distracted. Find your inner self. Ona indlebe zokuzwa uzwile. Thanini niyabonga. Nibhalo amen. Nibonge kumakhosi la ekhaya, nibonge kuyidalwa zala ekhaya. I'm certain that I'm also going to post this on YouTube by tomorrow. Gebisana amakhanda base namukela isibusiso. Ukuthula kukaNkulunkulu okuliqonda konke. May the peace of God that surpasses all understanding makube seyinhlizweni zenu nasengqondweni zenu. May it be in your mind and in your heart. Basuthi umusa wenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu, uthando lukaNkulunkulu Baba, ubudlelwano bukaMoya Oyingcwele kanye nezibusiso ezivela kuyidalwa zenu ezihlambulukile. Ngathi konke lokhu ngehlela kunina manje naphakade. Amen. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Take care. I shall see you soon.